Let's take a first look here at the 2023 Jeep Wagoneer L. So this is extended wheelbase version here. This rides on the same platform as a Ram 1500. So it does have the underpinnings of the pickup truck. Looking at these headlights here, they're going to be an LED turn signal with an LED daytime running light with a full automatic low and high beam. Also with the LED projector headlight. There's the Wagoneer name, which is spelled out here, which is really nice. Also with the 7 corporate Jeep grille here. Also there's a front facing camera with these large recovery hooks down here. And there is LED fog lights here, which is a nice touch. I like the nice grille here. This is also for the driver's assistance tech. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the front styling of the Wagoneer. I think it looks very classy, very elegant. Looking at the side profile, as you guys can see, this vehicle is freaking large here. This is the largest vehicle in the segment because it does have the chassis for the Ram pickup truck here. Looking at these tires and wheels here, these are a Goodyear tire. I like the multi-spoke gloss black finish here, which is really nice, especially with this gray exterior paint. There's this gloss black side fenders here. There's a Wagoneer name, which is spelled out with the American flag. There's also these running boards here to get inside this large SUV. This LED side marker with a gloss black mirror cap. And up top, Jeep does give you this large panoramic sunroof, and the third passengers do get their own sunroof here. Looking at this rear area right here, as you guys can see, very large glass here to give the third row passengers a good view out of the back of the vehicle. Looking at these taillights here, they're going to be an LED, which is a turn signal, brake light, and reverse light. A lot of people don't like the third quarter angle here. They say it looks very awky. To me, I think it looks really good. Jeep did a really good job with the styling. It looks very futuristic. There's the Wagoneer name, which is spelled out here with this rear wiper here. Looking down here is going to be the reverse lights. There's also rear parking sensors. And Jeep says this can tow up to around 10,000 pounds properly equipped. Open up the cargo back here. This is why you guys go for the L version here, is because you want the amount of cargo space. Sadly, I know it's very dark because my model does have the black interior, but as you guys can see, numerous amounts of space here. And like I mentioned, there's also that glass up there for the third row passengers. And underneath the low floor here, Jeep does give you some underfloor storage. But let's hop into the interior of the Wagoneer. So I'm not going to sit inside the vehicle here because it's too dark, because it does have this black interior here. But let's get off the beeping sound here. And as you guys can see, you have this nice display here. You also have a nice display there. Sadly, the passenger does not get its own screen. The shifter here is going to be a real metal shifter. It houses the 8-speed automatic transmission. There's also a digital screen down there as well. Wireless phone charger, USB ports, 2 cup holders. The materials, I wouldn't expect nothing less. Really nice high quality materials. You can also close this back here. I like this nice stainless look finish here, and there's 2 USB ports right there. Open this up, it does reveal a good amount of storage in the center armrest, and above me there's this large panoramic sunroof. The screen does support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's heated and cooled seats, nice 2-spoke wheel design. It says Wagoneer. If you guys go for the Grand Wagoneer, it would offer more luxurious features. The materials here are going to be really nice. Automatic up and down for R4 windows, 2-person memory seats. This also has the Alpine sound system. I think if you guys go for a top trim, you will get the Macintosh sound system, which has a nice 3D look to it. Over here's your lumbar and seating controls. Let's look at the back seats really quickly here. This one can sit up to 8 passengers in comfort. You also have the same screens and whatnot. To get into the third row, plus this button here, and it will move the seat up there. And also you can fold these seats up here via this control here. And it's power operated, just one touch. And as you guys can see, this third row will lift up. And this also has best in class second and third row space. Like I mentioned, in the cargo area, you also get that sunroof as well. The other competitor offers that besides the BMW X7, but I wouldn't compare this to X7. I will compare this more with a Chevrolet Suburban. Let's talk about the powertrain specs here for the Jeep Wagoneer L. This is Jeep's new 3-liter inline 6. This powertrain makes 510 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. It is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and Jeep says this has best in class, which can tow 10,000 pounds properly equipped. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this first look video here at 2023 Jeep Wagoneer L. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the L version.